Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip east on I-10 in Texas, beginning at mile 803 in Chambers County, near the city of Cove. We immediately cross the Old and Lost River, also known as Old River Lake, which is a branch of the Trinity River, which we'll cross in a few miles. Chambers County is one of the 9 counties that comprise Greater Houston, the metropolitan statistical area of Houston, the Woodlands, and Sugar Land. Chambers County has an estimated population of 41,441 as of 2017. We cross the 710-mile-long Trinity River, which is the longest river with a watershed entirely within the state of Texas. Exit 810 provides access to the city of Anahuac, the county seat of Chambers County. Anahuac lies on the coast of Trinity Bay. Just a couple of weeks ago, on February 23, 2019, a Boeing 767 cargo airplane operating for Atlas Air crashed into Trinity Bay just southwest of Anahuac while on approach to Houston's Bush Intercontinental Airport. The plane was branded Prime Air, flying for Amazon Air, flying from Miami with 3 crew members aboard. There were no survivors. At exit 827, we enter the census-designated place of Winnie, which had a population of 2,914 people at the census of 2000. The town was named after Fox Winnie, a railroad contractor who worked for the Gulf and Interstate Railway line. We conclude this video at exit 828 as I-10 makes a northeastward turn. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.